Did you know that over 2.3 million people die annually from workplace accidents and illnesses? Most of these tragedies could have been prevented with one powerful tool, HSE Risk Assessment. So, how do you actually perform one? Stick around, and I'll break it down into simple steps that could save lives and protect your business. 1. What is HSE Risk Assessment? Let's start with the basics. HSE stands for Health, Safety, and Environment. It's all about identifying and managing risks in the workplace. Think of it like a safety blueprint, a proactive approach to spotting dangers before they cause harm. It's not just about compliance, it's about keeping your team safe and your operations running smoothly. 2. Why is it so important? Here's the thing. Accidents don't just harm employees, they can damage your company's reputation, lead to expensive lawsuits, cause serious downtime and financial losses. A proper risk assessment can prevent all this chaos. Plus, a safer workplace boosts morale and productivity. Who wouldn't want that? 3. Step-by-step breakdown. How to conduct an HSE risk assessment. Let's dive into the 5 key steps. Step 1. Identify hazards. Look around your workplace. What could potentially cause harm? This could be slippery floors, faulty machinery, hazardous chemicals, even mental health risks like stress. Pro tip: ask your employees. They often notice risk that managers might overlook. Step 2. Determine who might be harmed and how. Think beyond just the workers. What about visitors, contractors, or even the public? For example, a cleaning staff member might get exposed to chemicals. Delivery drivers could face risks from poor loading procedures. Include everyone. Step 3. Evaluate risks and take action. Now ask yourself, how likely is the risk to occur? What's the severity of the potential harm? Then control the risk using the hierarchy of controls. Eliminate the hazard completely if possible. Substitute with a safer alternative. Engineer controls, like machine guards or ventilation systems. Administrative controls, training, signage, or rotation schedules. PPE, personal protective equipment like helmets or gloves. This should be the last resort. Step 4. Record your findings. Write it down, but keep it practical. Your report should prove you did everything reasonable to protect your people. Include the hazards, who's at risk, the controls you put in place, any remaining risks. Bonus: in some places, this is legally required, especially in high-risk industries like construction or manufacturing. Step 5. Review and update regularly. Risk assessments aren't one and done. Workplaces evolve. New machinery, new staff, even small layout changes could introduce new risks. Regular reviews ensure you stay ahead of potential dangers. When to review: after an accident or near miss. When introducing new equipment. At least once a year as a good practice. 4 common mistakes to avoid. Warning. Mistake number 1. Ignoring small risks. Sometimes minor hazards snowball into serious incidents. Mistake number 2. Copy-pasting risk assessments from other companies. Every workplace is unique. Mistake number 3. Relying only on PPE. It's a safety net, not a first solution. 5. Final takeaway. A good risk assessment isn't just a checklist, it's a mindset. It's about creating a safety culture where everyone watches out for hazards and no one cuts corners. Remember, safety isn't expensive, it's priceless. Did you find this breakdown helpful? Hit that like button and share this with your team. Subscribe for more safety tips and workplace insights. Comment below, what's the strangest workplace hazard you've ever seen?